Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome this time to my 3034th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and of course, that's me. Good evening, traders, omniacs around the world. Thank you for tuning in. This video coming at you on a Thursday night for Trading Friday. That would be Friday, February 20th, 2026. Trading is risky. Don't forget how risky it is. Put stops in any market that allows it. Never trade without stops. Stops can be your best friend. Trading is risky. Put those stops in. What's going on for trading on Friday, February 20th, 2026? NASDAQ, ES, Ross, Dow, Transportation Average, they all have a red Omni. We flipped once again to red. And this looks ugly. I'm going to do two things for you. Let's go back and talk about last night's video. In last night's video, I gave you a piece of analysis that is absolute, and it's based on what happens next. It looks like we found our footing and the possibility that the adjustment is over because that footing being found here, running up, and I showed you a whole series of charts in last night's video. That slightly longer term analysis remains intact, but we are day traders, and for day trading, the Omni flips day by day. Let me finish what we were talking about last night. In last night's video, the last chart I showed everybody was this, and I said, please don't be confused. The analysis I put forth in last night's video, including this transportation average chart with the capitulation downward move, which basically matched the high of the capitulation of the rally in 2021, caught the average right here. It caught the channel, the green channel, and we talked about all of this likely now being capitulation is done on the downside. Omni signal is in that adjustment is over, and what I left you with was this. It has to get back above the highs here. And that was what the last thing I said in the video last night. Don't forget, this is a fine art, not a science. It has to get above these highs in order for all of this to have played out correctly. So, within a day or two, we'll know it's allowed to jigger-jagger around here, if you will, and then make its way above those highs, which means all of this analysis in last night's video is absolute. So keep that in the back of your mind. But again, we are day traders, and as day traders, we have no choice but to follow the Omni signal. And boy, it's flip-flopped so much in the last few weeks, I'm having trouble keeping up with it. But that's what Omni does when we're going to vacate an area. It does a lot of flip-flopping. Omni up one day, down the next, up, down, and then we vacate the area. But navigating through those moments, that's not easy. Anyhow, red Omni for tomorrow. I don't like this look at all. Now look at NASDAQ. Forget about that longer term. Next few days analysis. Let's talk about analysis for Friday's trading. NASDAQ seems to be failing at this blue line every time, right? Every time, and that's where it is now. And for completely separate and non-related reasons, Omni went red. So being that the repetitive pattern is that we fail at this blue line, and the fact that Omni went red right there at that failure, remember there's another one here, right? I went, well, guess that's ugly, and we will take, of course, the Omni signal for getting short NASDAQ, Russell, S&P, maybe not Russ, but NASDAQ, S&P, we'll see what we get our hands on tomorrow. So I wanted to show you that. I also wanted to congratulate you because Omniacs around the world, wow, congratulations, Omniacs. Outstanding what you're doing here. You're doing everything I'm asking you to do in the videos with our Omni token. Look at its value now. It just keeps moving higher. Why? Because Omniacs around the world are protecting ourselves and protecting each other. They're showing when newer entrants come in, they're not jumping out and selling. They're welcoming the new whales that are coming in. They're waiting for when it gets much, much higher. Then when we reach a price where the Omni is such a price that when we start rotating out, it won't really hurt the Omni. I'll contact all of us. You know, I'm collecting all your names. Everyone that's been in this Omni token since kind of the first month or two, continue contacting me. I'm collecting all your names, and I'll contact you back when the Omni's high enough and we can have an absolute a methodical plan to get out logical, methodical, working the same way we got in. And my biggest concern is always never to want anyone behind us to get hurt. So we'll methodically help ourselves the way we help ourselves now as a community when the time comes. Keep that shelved. Don't worry about it for now. Go like this. You're doing a great job, Omniacs. I tell you right now, I get letters from all over. We're helping people all over the world. What are the odds that you could be involved in something that without too much of effort on all of our parts, but collectively our effort is helping people all over the world. Now, here's what we need to do next. Omni token's looking fantastic, right? It's been going up, up, up. Just looks great here. I have social networking. I try to post about the Omni token and my OmniAx and my Omni trading and, the whole thing I've been running my whole life, including the Omni token. Now, I would like for you to do something. OmniAx and this Omni token. Use your social networking. Repost about the Omni. If you go look out there, you'll find a lot of stuff. Repost about the Omni trading token. Use your social networking. I'll use mine. Think about this, OmniAx. There's an army of us. If collectively everybody just reposts once, we'll get more awareness of our coin. Now, you using your social networking, me using mine, and everybody using ours collectively, we're a lot. We're strong. Pump the Omni token that way. This is helping all of us. It's helping people all over the world that we've never met. Thank you, God. How often would we be able to be involved in something like that? Without too much effort, you get to help people around the world and change their lives, including your own. Fantastic work, OmniAx. Make sure that you buy every now and then. If you see anybody come in and sell, come in and buy them. I'll do the same. We'll get this to a nice, lofty level where more whales will join us, and we'll get our chance to get back out the same way we got in. Great stuff, OmniAx. Now let's go back to where we were, because I don't want you to forget this. Here's where we are now. We can absolutely be bullish by tomorrow, but for now we are selling the rallies, even the S&P and NASDAQ for trading on Friday. Traders, I hope this video helps. One last thing I want you to know, if you have filled out an application to come to OmniCamp, if you are coming to OmniCamp, if you're thinking about coming to OmniCamp, don't forget, look what we have. Omni Bootcamp is coming to Europe. It's booked for Amsterdam. It's absolute. It's March 26th through the 30th, 27th through the 30th. Make sure you come to omnibootcamp.com and fill out your OmniCamp application. I will be there in just a few weeks. If you miss this chance, you will miss a chance for me to come all the way to your country and teach this Omni to you. Make sure you fill out your OmniCamp applications, and I will call all of you. I've got my applications right here. The ones who I've contacted, I'll contact you again. The ones who I haven't, I will call all of you. So be ready for phone calls tomorrow. OmniAx around the world, thank you for everything that you do. Have a great, great evening. And remember, stop soaring. Emotions are rock and roll. Traders, thank you for everything you do. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. OmniAx.